Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. You're welcome to my channel once again. My name is Nancy. I film about faith, relationship, and lifestyle. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Please do not fail to subscribe, hit the like button, and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Alright, so today I'm not going to be talking about something very long. I want to make it short and precise. Guys, although I didn't think of or I didn't prepare to make this particular video today, but I just decided to. I thought of something, I was thinking aloud, I decided to share with you guys. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so what I'm talking about today is entitlement mentality. I want to say something very important. Like, you know, a lot of us, we know too many stingy persons around us. You ask this, oh, this person is very stingy, this is very stingy. Now, trust me to say this. If you know too many stingy persons around you, it means you beg too much. I said what I said. I'm in my house. Come and beat me. Alright, no guys, jokes apart. If you know too many stingy persons, it means you beg too much. It takes someone that begs too much to know too many stingy persons. So why do you brand people stingy? People are not stingy. People are probably, you know, people probably have plans for their money. If they decide to give to you, fine. If not, you are not entitled to their money. They are not obligated to, you know, give it to you. If you meet good persons who gives, appreciate them. But if you meet people who don't like giving, it is not your right. I'm not saying it is good to be stingy, but do not have this entitlement mentality. It is very, very wrong. Now, a lot of us, we are so entitled to so many people's money that we feel, oh, if they don't give us, it means they are stingy. Now, let me tell you something. People are directly entitled to people's money are probably their spouse and their children. Any other money, any other person they are giving money to, or they are giving any other thing to, it is out of their own benevolence, their own free will. So if they choose to give to you, fine, fantastic. But if they choose not to give to you, fine as well. Now, if you ask somebody for money, let's assume, forget people wearing suit and tie every morning running to work. If those people tells you the ridiculous suicide salary they are earning, you'll be amazed. So if somebody gives you money, don't say, oh, he's working and this money is given to me is too small. Do you know how much that person is earning? Is it your money? Now, if somebody is earning, let's say for instance 50,000 naira and the person decides to give you 5,000 naira, I know some many persons will feel, oh, the money is too small. It's not small, guys. The person, you are not God. The person is giving you 10% of their salary. That's the person's tithe, and they're giving it to you. You are calculating probably, oh, this money is too small. Why won't he give me more? After all, he's earning. After all, he's working and earning salary. Guys, there were plans before you asked. There were plans. The person probably has families to settle, has bills to pay, has a lot of things to do with money, and then your own now came in. The person decided to squeeze out 5,000 naira out of the 50,000 naira the person is earning. Well, we've not talked about the person's transport and feeding and other miscellaneous. The person decided to give you 5,000 naira. You are complaining that it's too small. Now your money. Is it your money? You probably don't know how many days the person woke up to work for you. For somebody that is earning 50,000 naira to give you 5,000 naira, it means the person woke up a couple of days to resume work only to give you the money. Because if you want to calculate it by number of days, it means the person probably worked for 2 days or 3 days to make that 5,000 naira to give to you. Appreciate it. Let's stop this entitlement mentality. It is not our right. It is not our right. People complain too much. People, you know, everywhere you go, you say, ah, this person is very stingy. This one is very stingy. This one is very. If you are not begging them, you will not know that they are stingy. Stop begging people. Stop begging the living daylight out of you. Some people know how to. They have this begging calling. Like, you know, anytime you see their call, you know one thing. They're about to beg you. People are like that. Once you see somebody's call, you know they're about to beg you. And then there's this other set of persons. They won't call you. They won't pick up their phone to call you. They won't dial your number for days, for weeks, for months. Now, the day you decide to call them, they'll pick your call and be like, so you remember me today. You have not been calling me. You have not been calling me. So you abandoned me. You forgot me. Real quarrel. They will quarrel you for calling them, for not, you know, being calling them before, you've not been calling them before. They will quarrel you for that. Meanwhile, you call them with your own credit. Auntie, you that did not forget me, you that's always remembering me, why didn't you call me? They won't call you, but when you call them, they complain that you've forgotten them. We are busy. People are busy. Stop all this. See, this entitlement mentality thing has to stop. People are busy. If you can't, call people. If you can't, stay on your own. If they call you, appreciate it. Don't tell them that they are wicked or they are some. You don't you have credit in your phone? Don't you have flash? Don't you have chat? What's it called? MB to chat. You will view their status. You won't even comment. You won't even say hi to them on WhatsApp. The day they decide to call you, you now start telling them that they've forgotten you. Who told you they are obligated to call you or you are entitled to their call? You are not. You are not their husband. You are not their parents. You are not their kids. You are probably not their employer. But they decided to call you and then you are feeling entitled. Entitlement mentality has to stop. Alright? I don't intend to make this video very, very long. I think I'm going to leave it here. Maybe some other time I will talk about some other things that we need to stop. You know, things that has to do with entitlement mentality. Alright guys, till next time we see you again. Thanks for stopping by again and thanks for staying with me. I love you all. Once again, my name remains Nancy. Thanks. Bye bye.